All right. Today I had the pleasure of seeing this amazing modern retirement community here in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So if anybody is going to visit this area, this is a place that you cannot miss. You may have seen elderly, right, in your community and in your neighborhood, or your friends may have elderly parents. If you are living like I am living outside India, then some of your friends or you may be wondering like how to take best care of your parents. So this place is like a five-star hotel, but actually gives you the feeling of a home, which is rare combination. It has all the modern amenities that you can expect in your age, in your sunset age, right, as they call it, 55, 60, 70. And I think those can be tough years. So here is the visionary, the man behind this dream project. So let's hear from Mr. Sandesh Sharda what the journey has been like to build this vision and dream of his to fruition, come to fruition. What it is like to be here, see this project from an idea come to this stage, and what is his vision like for the future and the coming years for this place. And I know he has built this place in the memory of his mother, Miss Pushpa Sharda. So I would also like to have him share something in that regards.
So, hi, I am Sandesh Sharda. This is a place for senior citizens. It's one of its kind in India, where I want to give the dignity to our parents. We owe a lot to them, and this is the least we can do for them, whereby we are giving them all kinds of amenities, from 24/7 kitchen to swimming pool to walking trail to fertilizer free food, because that is a big cause for cancer. So what we are trying to do here is something that has never been attempted under one roof in India. It is only meant for 55 plus adult community, where one bedroom flats are being built, which is fully furnished. You can come, you can stay. And the biggest differentiator is we are not selling any of this thing. This is only on a rental basis, because in India, as we all know, once you buy a property and once you are not there, there is nobody to take care of those property, and transferring that property to someone else's name, even if they are your children, is a big hassle. So this one is a rental. You come, you pay rental income, you stay, you live, you enjoy, and you move on. Whether you stay here forever or whether you want to move on to some other place, this is the place. So like me, who has been living in USA for 30 years, giving something back to community, where we are there, our parents are here, we feel obligated and we feel guilty sometimes that we are not giving best to our parents. This is the place to become guiltless, remove your guilt, because you are going to be giving them something that has never been done in India. You can get all the booking, conference, visit to different locations, ambulance service is there, 24/7 medical is there, you name it, you have it. And mini golf is there, boating is there, we have petting animals, like we have dogs, we have ducks, we have rabbits, so therapy dogs are there. So we have tried to give something that is most common in Western world, and this is our first attempt to replicate Western world and make it even better by giving an Indian touch. So all the best. This place is called Golden Yug, a senior citizens resort. You guys are going to regret if you don't send your parents here. So good luck.
Amazing, amazing. And what he said, since I have lived in the United States for 19 years and I am a friend now of Sandesh Sharda, so I would absolutely agree that this kind of living, and I had seen Vruddhashram. I love to volunteer in US, but I've also visited some of the places in Ahmedabad, which is, which we all know as Vruddhashram, right? But this place redefines what the experience can be like for somebody who has done so much for their children and deserves better than a Vruddhashram. This is the way an elderly should be treated.
And I think I take objection to the word called Vruddhashram. because I think that's not what our parents deserve.
Yes, I absolutely agree.
If we are what we are today, we are because of them.
Absolutely agree.
And if we are enjoying the best of luxuries in USA or UK or any part of the world, I think this is the least we can do for our parents. So it's called luxury living,
Yes.
luxury living redefined. So there is no place, in my opinion, as Vruddhashram. Vruddhashram is dated, it is not healthy, and this place is healthy, welcoming, and I think our parents deserve the best.
And parents are always
good luck.
cutting corners, so I absolutely agree. Throughout their life, the middle class parents, they are saving every penny, saving every dollar, every rupee if they are here, and they are trying to invest it for the future, better future of their children. So it's the duty of the children, if the parents are not able to plan something like this for themselves, to give them an experience, for them to live in a wonderful manner in the years that they have a lot of spare time. So can you tell me something? How many other places do you think are there like this in MP or in Rajasthan, MP, Gujarat, or across
So
India,
this is-
which is like the basically
this is-
redefining, I would say,
this
the way
is-
elderly
this is-
would live in
This
India?
This is one of its kind in India. I'm not aware of any other place. Most of the places that are there in India are there to sell, which means 70 lakh, 80 lakh for 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom flats. I think that is insane, because you are asking for senior citizen to pour their savings into those flats, which is absolutely not necessary. And this place allows you to take it on a rental basis, $1,000 a month. It includes food, it includes everything, and I think it is all under one roof. And I have not seen a model like this anywhere in India. Maybe I am wrong, and if somebody knows this, they can visit and compare that to our location. But I think this is one of its kind in India.
And I'm fortunate to come across Mr. Sandesh Sharda. Not only, and he is a philanthropist at heart, and he has been a successful entrepreneur. But what has really amazed me is his wanting to give back to society, to various causes, including, as you can see, the big cause behind him, and other causes such as the movie Paro, which will be released in the coming months or weeks, which you all should enjoy with your family. And one other thing I wanted to say is that he really stands behind any initiatives he takes, and I have had the pleasure of seeing that a number of times, which is rare and very unique quality that somebody has, and he has them.
Chalo.
So
Okay,
congratulations
take
to
care.
you.
Thank